So when you come to this page, you scroll down on this side to set up. Then you go to items. So we need to update the items. I need to update both the selling and the purchase price. So this is the purchase price, and this is the selling price. For example, so that we have about 107 items. So please try your best to update both the purchase and the selling price, especially the purchase price. Selling price has also changed as well. So go and update selling price to the latest price in the system. To do that, so let's say in this case we have this 5 alive puppy. This is the selling price. This is the purchase price. This is the selling price. So I'm going to click on this. I'll click on updates down here. Then I will move over to this thing that says purchase price. I can now change this to maybe 66. Then this is the selling price. I can change it to maybe 71. So that's how you update the prices of. Then you now click on save. Then you go to the next one. So update all our purchase prices. If you don't know what the purchase price is, get in contact with um my mom or Vivian. If you don't know what the selling price, there's a new selling price for all this load. So make sure it's updated. Get the latest selling price and update every single one of it.